Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Anna. Today we would like to discuss about KD 3.8. It's about conditional sentence or kalimat pengandaian. Before I explain about this material, let's check it out about the KD and the purpose of this lesson, okay? As usual, I teach my student for Bahasa Inggris grade 12. I teach at SMK Taruna Bakti, Depok. Okay. This is the KD, conditional sentence or kalimat pengandaian. Okay. I read it first, okay. KD 3.8 ini adalah pengetahuannya, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks interaksi transaksional, lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait pengandaian diikuti oleh perintah atau saran. Sesuai dengan bidang keahlian dan konteks penggunaannya, perhatikan unsur kebahasaan if dengan imperatif can dan should. Okay. Next, KD 4.8 ini adalah keterampilan. Menyusun teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait pengandaian diikuti oleh perintah atau saran dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteksnya. Oke, nah ini adalah tujuan pembelajarannya. Yang pertama adalah setelah mempelajari materi ini diharapkan siswa mampu memahami kalimat pengandaian atau conditional sentence. Yang kedua, setelah mempelajari materi ini diharapkan siswa mampu memahami tipe-tipe dari kalimat pengandaian. Okay, we are going to the next page. Okay. Definition of conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses a condition. A condition is something that can only happen if something else occurs. A conditional sentence contains an independent clause and a dependent clause that almost always begins with if, the word if. A conditional sentence is only a conditional sentence if it has both of these parts. Some conditional clauses might begin with when. Okay, next. Types of conditional sentence. Zero conditional, ya. Ini adalah type yang ke-0. Conditional mood definition, what is a zero conditional sentence? A zero conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses a fact or simple implication. The dependent clause of the zero conditional begins with if or when. The independent clause of the zero conditional begins with the simple present verb tense or the imperative verb tense. Zero conditional statements express conditions that are always true and the conclusion of which can be drawn from their premises. Example of zero conditional. Ini adalah contoh dari zero conditional. Okay? If it rains, things get wet. Once again, if it rains, things get wet. If you stare at the sun, your eyes diminish. If you stare at the sun, your eyes diminish. If you touch a flame, you burn yourself. If you touch a flame, you burn yourself. Jika kamu menyentuh api, maka tangan akan terbakar, maka tubuh akan terbakar. Okay? That is zero conditional. Okay, next. First conditional. Nah, ini adalah type 1-nya. Tadi kan type 0. Sekarang kita masuk ke type 1. Ya. Conditional phrases definition. What is a first conditional sentence? A first conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses an idea that might happen at some point in the future. It is something that is possible, but its certainty is unknown because it depends on another event. Ini adalah contohnya ya. Lihat guys, contohnya nih. If it rains, I will not play outside. Kalau hujan, saya nggak akan main keluar. If I'm out to lunch, Maria will answer calls. Ya. Atau I will wrap his present if he leaves. Ya, he leaves. Okay? That is the example of conditional sentence type 1. Now we are going to the next page. Okay? Second conditional. Ini adalah type 2-nya. Okay? Tadi udah ya, type 0. Type 1, sekarang kita mau type 2. Conditional clauses in English grammar. What is a second conditional sentence? A second conditional sentence is a sentence that can express two ideas. First, it might express things in the future that are unlikely to happen. Second, it is used to express an idea that is not true because it is impossible. The dependent clause of the second conditional begins with if and uses the participle tense. The independent clause of the second conditional uses would plus the best form of a verb. Ini adalah contohnya ya. Contohnya nih guys, type 2. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. Lihat perubahan tensesnya, perubahan verbnya terutama. Lihat ya. If I knew, verb kedua, I would tell you. If I were you, I would not live tonight. If I were president, I would fix the system. Ya, jika saya seorang presiden, I will fix the system. Ya, saya akan mengatur, mencoba merubahnya gimana caranya lebih baik deh. Itu adalah contoh dari type 2. Sudah ya? Type 0, type 1, type 2. Now we are going to discuss type 3, okay? Nah, memang agak susah sayang. Berbicara mengenai conditional sentence, agak-agak jelimet ya kalau bicara masalah tesis itu luar biasa. Third conditional. Would in conditional sentence, what is a third conditional sentence? A third conditional sentence expresses a past idea that did not occur. The third conditional sentence expresses an imagined result of the past event that did not occur. In other words, it is unreal. The dependent clause of the third conditional begins with if and uses the past perfect tense. The independent clause of the third conditional uses would have plus the past participle of a verb. Ini adalah contohnya, example of third condition. Ya, sudah tadi contohnya ya, type 1, type 0, type 1, type 2. Now we are going to discuss type 3. Ini agak sulit sayang, ya, lebih jelimet sebenarnya, ya, karena menggunakan past perfect, ya. Contohnya, if I had listened, I would have not gotten lost. If he had gone to touch, or if he had gone to lunch, you would have answered his calls. Atau yang ketiga, I would have wrapped his present if he had left. Oke, ini adalah contohnya. Agak jelimet ya memang, iya. Kalau nggak diulang-ulang nggak bisa. Ya, agak sulit memang. Oke, next. Nah, ini adalah assignment, tugasnya. Ya, as usual, I have to give an assignment to my student, especially at Taruna Bhakti Vocational High School, because they have to practice about their English. Okay? Change this sentence into conditional sentence, type 2 and 3. I have I have type 1, and then you have to change it to type 2 and type 3, okay? The sentence just like this. If Caroline and Peter prepare the salad, Jack will decorate the house. The second one, Smith will buy the drinks if somebody helps her to carry the bottle. Smith will buy the drinks if somebody helps her to carry the bottle. Life skillnya, create a dialogue using conditional sentence, then practice in front of the class, or make it in the video and upload in your YouTube channel or Instagram. Hey, I like it. Okay. Yeah, I have to ask my students to create a video, yeah, on their YouTube channel. Okay. Okay. Well, I think that's all for my lesson today. It's about conditional sentence. I will make the summary. Conditional sentence, therefore, zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Okay. If you still confused or you have any question, you can share or you can ask me on chat on my YouTube channel. And then for my student, of course, they can ask me on my Telegram personally. Okay. Thank you very much for joining my YouTube channel. Okay. See you in the next program or another lesson. Okay. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.